I'm Zach. I'm working on the Biodiesel Motorcycle project, and I really enjoy it because it's new to the engineering group.
Have belt drive like this that'll go to the rear wheel.
And it's great to be able to incorporate what other groups are doing with this, like the biofuels.
I'm working on last year's biodiesel filter, so we can filter the particulates out of our biodiesel and make it usable for this year's motorcycle.
So it's going to be good.
So these are the nuts that we're collecting. You can use them for biofuel. Take them to our press, which we have in one of our science labs. We're going to press it, get all the oil out of them, and they can be used in a biodiesel car engine. So our goal is to run a lot of the machinery used around campus, lawnmowers, golf carts, etc. On this biofuel. So making Seabury more green and sustainable.
Aquaponics, I mean, it just sounded different and it's never been done before at Seabury. So I was pretty excited when I heard about it. I mean, it seems like really revolutionary and it's gonna be used a lot in the future.
Right now we're in the process of getting approval, proposing a spot behind the kitchen for it. Big fish tank, bunch of grow beds.
What we are doing, or in the process of doing, is building a platform that is going to be designed to take a camera and this Arduino into high altitude.
Hi, I'm Miles. I'm with the space group. Right now we are working on this Arduino. We are trying to make it successfully log temperature data with a timestamp to this SD card.
So I have to hack this camera so that it takes pictures at an interval automatically without someone having to hold the shutter button. And then we're going to put it in our balloon and it'll take pictures, aerial pictures above as it's up in the air.
I like the class because it's not a classroom environment. You're working, you're doing stuff, and you learn by doing it. Like if you mess up, and you learn from that.
So we are working on the Mercedes, and we're trying to remove the air conditioning system. I really like working with Michael and Gabe. We're doing a great job so far. We're all splitting up the task evenly. Nobody's slacking.
Alright, so now we're replacing an old oil cooling line.
Engineering is a great class because we get to work hands-on on all of the projects. You're not sitting in a classroom doing math work or something like that.
Well, it's an electric three-wheeled car, and the reason why we're making it three-wheeled is so it's easier to get street legal, because a four-wheeler car has to go through a lot of testing, and it's a lot harder to get street legal.
Okay, so this is the body of the car that me and Amy built, and it's made out of long strips of styrofoam that we connected, well, last year's team connected with epoxy, and now we're covering it with epoxy more and sanding it so that it's really smooth. It's supposed to look like a Jaguar D-Type car, if anyone knows what that looks like.